Hello guys. So it is now 5th of May, 7:45 p.m. Jadi sekarang itu H-1 dari my first day of internship. Makanya malam ini, well, first of all, masih lagi nonton Thomas. But after that, I'm looking forward to getting the night clean karena mungkin kalian juga udah pernah dengar beberapa kali, tapi ada saying that a good morning routine starts with a good night routine. Dan aku percaya sama itu. Karena kalau misalnya malamnya berantakan tuh, paginya juga pas bangun pasti kayak. And tomorrow I have to be at the office at around 8:30, dan dari rumah ke sana tuh kalau macet harus siap buat sekitar 2 jaman di jalan. Jadi I have to get up and get ready super early. That's why I'm trying to get a good night routine in and sleep early so that I can get ready. Biar besok pun aku semuanya udah siap tinggal berangkat. Karena aku yakin pasti aku belum terbiasa dengan bangun pagi lagi. Jadi it's gonna be challenging tomorrow. But I look forward and I'm very excited for this new journey of internship. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Karena aku udah mau mulai magang lagi, jadi aku harus optimal. It's time to delete. Yes. Tapi just to be clear, aku tuh nggak free banget dari social media. Aku masih ada Instagram di iPad. Tapi kan kalau buka iPad, ya emang harus effort buat buka kan, nggak mindless scrolling. I'm getting rid of mindless scrolling these days. Jadi yang penting itu nggak ganggu waktu-waktu yang nggak penting lagi. Bye. Aku mau mandi aja. Classic black pants. I'm gonna wear this as my inner buat ke blazer. This is what it'll look like. Dan besok blazer itu ada di depan, but I'm gonna use like a black with stripes. A black with white stripes blazer. Good morning. As I expected, it's a lot more tiring. It's been like, even in my previous internship, I wasn't supposed to be in this early, so I think it's been really long since I had to wake up this early. Maybe like the last time I had classes, which was 2023. Like by December 2023, my class ended, so maybe that was the last time I woke up this early and had to prepare. Wake up at this hour. Tapi nggak apa-apa. We're headed to a productive week. We are in this together.
You know, since then I made like an effort to just do like a new playlist and make it a lot more easy to have. And not only is it like a fun
I was supposed to be here at 8:30 dan sekarang jam 7.45. Jadi aku harus nunggu sekitar setengah jam sampai 45 menit lagi baru naik ke atas karena gak enak kalau terlalu early dan ini lobbynya juga masih sepi banget. Jadi I'm pretty sure the office is still gonna be empty too. So yeah, but it's okay, lebih mending cepetan daripada telat. Okay, first day recap. Sebenarnya sih nothing big, nothing special happened. Dan bahkan hari ini technically belum mulai kerja, so we just had a few introductions and there were like an introduction for us. Terus ada juga sesi introduction from the company. and all of those things. Jadi sebenarnya this was a overall fun first day and genuinely feels like agenda hari di mana I had to get to know the company and for them to get to know the interns as well. Jadi yeah, and this far I look forward to my period karena I have a huge feeling that I'm gonna enjoy my time and learn a lot throughout my period. By the way, micellar water skintific yang ini crazy. Karena dulu tuh aku biasanya harus milk cleanser. Aku kayaknya di video yang lebaran itu aku masih kasih lihat Unget Ready with me, yang harusnya Get Unready with me. Dan pas itu tuh aku masih harus go through milk cleanser, oil cleanser, terus baru micellar water. Tapi itu sebelum aku pakai ini. Dan habis aku pakai ini, aku tuh bener-bener pakai ini aja. I don't feel like I need any more cleansers, tapi kayaknya harus sih technically. Walaupun makeupnya bersih, tapi mungkin sebenarnya harus. Tapi thus far aku belum, dan kebetulan milk cleanser juga habis dan oil aku juga udah habis, jadi aku belum restock. And by the way, it's currently 6:42 and I'm already home karena I decided today was the day where I used LRT. Dari tadi. By the way, ini serpihan headphone aku yang udah rusak. Don't mind this. Ya aku naik LRT. Kalau aku nggak naik LRT, kalau aku bawa mobil, pasti sekarang aku masih stuck di jalan. Dan stucknya tuh pasti masih daerah Kuningan atau di tol dalam kota yang masih jauh. Karena aku nyampe rumah tuh in less than an hour. So yeah, after this I'm gonna clean up. Dan aku mau ngerjain skripsi sih sebenarnya, karena I haven't touched my skripsi in a few days. So I'm planning to go back to it so I can go through the bimbingan in a few days. Okay, jadi I just woke up from 1 hour unintentional nap and it just kicks kalau ternyata kayaknya aku lebih capek dari yang aku pikir. But not necessarily because of the work, but more because of the routine. Jadi aku tadi pas habis pulang makan langsung tepar. Already almost 10, jadi kayaknya aku nggak sempat skripsian for tonight karena I have a task that I want to finish first too. So we'll get to my skripsi tomorrow probably. Well, but anyhow it's okay. Take it slow on myself. Mungkin ini sebenarnya biasa aja. Ya udah typical berkegiatan aja, but I think it's the adjustment part. Karena ya simply sebelumnya kan cuma leha-leha dari malam sampai pagi sampai malam terus gitu-gitu, bangunnya siang. And now I'm back. Well, I'm gonna get through it.
Because I either didn't want to wait this the beginning of my glow up journey
just think that it is, since I have signed up, which is seeing such good results. I have been sweating so much. I have been so consistent. Like, you could have a goal of, oh, I need to drink more water. But these are just like, I don't know. I'm just reading this off because this is going to be for the girls who probably have like stream. See what yours is if you're interested. I don't like, some people will argue that whatever, who cares? Anyway, city hair, which I forget. I'll put a shower cap. There's some new Tim Hortons that I've been seeing. They have.
Okay, so it is now 10 Mei, 10th of May, and it's Friday. Dan aku mulai vlog ini when it was Sunday. It was a day before my first day of internship, meaning that this was my first week of internship. Dan sekarang being at the end of the week, I remember on the first day I was very tired when I went home, dan paginya juga bangunnya tuh bener-bener susah banget, tapi kayaknya sekarang tuh udah lumayan better karena udah lumayan kebiasa. So we're getting back on our feet, dan berhubung sekarang aku on certain days I mostly use LRT, jadi I don't really have to go that early, karena pakai LRT I'll get there in less than an hour. So I can go just like at 8 and it'll be fine. Meanwhile kalau pakai mobil, nyampenya bisa sekitar sejam lebih atau bahkan antisipasi 2 jam kalau misalkan lagi ada apa di tol atau mendadak macet banget, cause there are days like that. Jadi it's been really convenient for me the past few days. Pokoknya menurut aku sih yang lumayan susah itu hari pertama aja, tapi sisanya it was really manageable. Justru aku suka sih getting back into a routine karena aku suka bangun dan tahu bakal ngapain, harus ngapain. I have my to-do list and I can just go on with my days, dan tentunya health app aku juga lebih bagus hasilnya, kayak steps-nya, terus calories burnt-nya itu jauh, karena kalau misalnya lagi di rumah tuh aku bisa cuma ngabisin kayak 300 steps a day, and imagine that I was doing that for almost 2 months. Jadi that's not good. Tapi sekarang aku kalau lagi pakai LRT I can get up to 5,000 steps a day. So yeah, that's a massive breakthrough. And today, since it's the end of the week, I am going to go out with my boyfriend at the end of work. He's gonna pick me up and we're gonna have some dinner probably, and then he'll take me home. Karena pulang kantornya juga paling udah lumayan mepet dinner, jadi we don't actually have time to do anything else. So yeah. We're heading off to work then. 10th of May, jam 10:10, which means it is time for me to end the vlog. Tujuan dari vlog ini awalnya itu adalah to have you guys accompany me throughout my first week of getting back into routine. Dari dulu kan kita emang udah tahu kayak kalau misalkan sekolah habis liburan, kuliah habis liburan itu pas masuk tuh pasti we go through hard phases first. Then as you guys can tell, I got through that. And now I'm feeling a lot better about waking up early in the morning. Itu kayak udah nggak sebuah beban banget lagi. Dan my body isn't as weak anymore. Jadi udah terbiasa dengan rutinitas yang ada. And thank you for accompanying me through everything, every part of that. If you guys stayed until here, I hope you guys can feel just as motivated to get back into a routine dan can create a good routine which makes you feel good. Karena emang yang aku notice itu dari punya kegiatan itu kadang kita ada rutinitas yang rasanya tuh kayak berat, tapi kadang-kadang juga kita udah nemu nih formulanya apa yang bikin kita semangat apa yang enggak. And it's really nice when you found that formula, so I hope you guys do as well too. And I look forward to having you guys more on my future journeys. I'll have to end it here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!